So here is the driveway that I did at the ranch in Llano, Texas. And this is actually the first job that I ever got. First real job. I did a friend's driveway once, but this is the first real job I had from a customer that I never knew before. And this is the video that I proceeded with the video of me washing the entrance wall to this ranch. There's an entrance wall that down at the that I did the first video on down at the entrance to this ranch. And so this video is the next major portion. Now, I've washed other parts of this ranch prior to doing this, but this was the next really big surface. You can see how big this driveway is. It's huge. This is the driveway that leads up to the horse stables, and that's why it's such a big driveway. It leads to the stables and then to the pasture, you can see, and there's another opening up there that leads to another part of the pasture. It's a big pasture, big horse stable, big driveway. And after cleaning the entrance wall, I moved up. Then I cleaned like the breezeways, walkways around the house, a limestone fence that goes around the house. Unlike not counting the limestone entrance wall, but this one was a wall, or actually goes around the house. A little small wall about 2 feet high, real small wall with iron fencing. Anyway, this was the next really big area. There's another one after this, but I just wanted to show you what this driveway looked like before, and now I have a video coming up that will show you what this driveway looked like after the cleaning. So, I think this is the last day because I've only got a little bit of this big driveway left, and this surfaces over here, which is not much. I think I'm going to be able to finish knocking this all out today. Now, I just want to show you guys. Here's my trailer, Hill Country pressure washing. I think I'm just going to jump on this e-bike and take a little tour of what I've done so far. So let's go ahead and crank it up. Let's put it on pedal assist number 3 and show you guys here. You can see this. This is the driveway, the humongous driveway that I've been working on, and I think you can see the difference in this driveway. This is looking really good. Yeah, this is looking really good here, this driveway. Look at that. It's a beautiful surface. So I'm just going to get off and park this thing here for a moment. And so you can see how beautiful this surface looks. Because yesterday, when I was here, there's a little, they've been driving on it, but you can see how beautiful this surface looks now. It's an amazing transformation. This looks magnificent.